or how to add message button on your Facebook profile. To do this, first of all, open your Facebook application and hit on the menu button, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then select your profile. If you scroll down there, you will see edit public details. Hit on that. From there, go through the edit your about info. Now, here what you need to do is you need to make your age below 13. If you make that, then your message button will be remove and hide. For this, click on the basic info edit, and then from here make to birth year less than 13. Doing this, your message button on your Facebook profile will be removed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe.